Right, that's our levee, totally submerged. Probably almost gone. And that's it. I'm on the top of the ground near the top cabin, and the water's up to that level. And it is motory. Just carving. Anyway, just stop for a minute. I came through here a few minutes ago, only a trickle. Now it's 6 inches deep. I'm coming up towards the little footbridge, and you see the little stream that runs off to the right. Wow, that's fair pouring down there. Wow. There's no way I'm getting out of here right now. I'll be able to cross the ford, and on this side of the dike you see it's running water. I'll come the other side. Oh, wow. The river is right up to my dike wall here, and it is absolutely streaming. This side's not much better. We've got absolute torrent of water flowing past the cabin. Yeah, she's got her own bloody river here, look. It's fucking cabin ain't floated away yet. Right, hang on here. Whoa. Flooding into the byre. Got a river running around the back of the house. Wow. Just pouring across the back here. Water in the cellar. And it's running off down the garden there, so serious look at the drainage here. Oh my giddy aunt, look at this. Oh, you left your pump up there. Go grab the oil. Wow, this is serious. The pump was on the side here, God knows where that's gone. Oh well. Oh my giddy aunt. Enough.